Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 4 to power of square root of 12 over 64 to power of square root of 12 plus 3. So, in the first step, in here, we write, we have 4 to power of square root of 12, and 64, we can write this as 4 to power of 3, and to power of square root of 12 plus 3. And from exponential rule, if we have a to power of b over a to power of c, this is equal to a to power of b minus c. And here we can write this as 4 to power of square root of 12 minus 3, and to power of square root of 12 plus 3. And from exponential rule, if we have a to power of b to power of c, we can write this as a to power of b times c. So, in here, we can write this as 4 to power of square root of 12 minus 3 times square root of 12 plus 3. And this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b, right? And this is equal to a square minus b square. So, in here, we can write this. We can write this as 4 to power of square root of 12 square. This is a, right? It will be 12 and minus 3 square. This is b. 3 square, b square, it will be 9. And it will be 4 to power of 3, and 4 to power of 3 is 64. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.